Today we are going to demo the full workflow of how our cleaning drone, the operation, how the ground system and the drone work together. Yeah, it's not here. Okay, good evening. I'll go through from the drone to the ground, and before everything, we need to make sure that you need to set the boundaries of your operation zone. Don't let other people enter the drone operation zone for safety. And another thing is about the wind. Today it is level 3. Yes, Rita. Hello, it's Rita here. Good evening. The wind is level 3. That is about the wind is very mild. Hi, my friend from Brazil. Nice to meet you. This is our pilot client. Say hi. And this is our ground assistant man. Say hi. Hi. Sit down. This is the water hose reels as the picture I have sent you, and this is a water pump, and this is for electricity for the pump, because our pump are electric powered. You can just press here, and it will start, and the water will go from here along with the hose to connect to the drone. This is the 2 water bladders. The bigger one is 500 liters for clean water, and the smaller one is 100 liters for the cleaning agent, the solution. And we will first unfold the drone and let's look at it. 可以开始展示臂，对，演示。我来拿着它。好。Now we are unfolding the arms. Yeah, it is a lightweight. It is a carbon fiber lightweight. You can easily hold it up. It is a 4 rotors design. It's very compact and downward foldable. Yes, make sure you lock the the arm are locked tightly, and then unfold the propellers and feel the tightness of the propellers. About the cleaning solution, it is a neutral detergent. Some are slightly acid. So okay. Now the propellers are all unfolded. Now this is the drone unfolded, and after that we need to power on the battery. Yeah, make sure. Yes. And the pilot will demo pre-flight check. 切到英文。we support multiple languages, including English, Spanish, Portuguese. Yeah, English. It is now in English. 57, speed 0. 57, speed 0. Make sure your remote controller, the FMU, and the system of the flight control is all in the latest version. Make sure it is the latest version. And then you can connect the drone, the remote control to the drone. Yes, this is the RTK. In China, we use network RTK, and wait for the light to turn green. It will show that the RTK signal is a fixed solution. Fixed. 57, speed yeah, fixed 0. Solution. That means the RTK is enabled. And make sure the GPS signal is more than 20 and the RTK is a fixed solution. That is very important for safety operation near a building.
好，可以简单演示一下起飞。
基础飞行。
对。然后回到那，然后再。
And now the pilot will demo the very basic operations of takeoff, landing, left, right, rotate, forward and backward. It is very simple operation. 我需要把它卡上去吗？啊，那我拿着吧。
啊，如果你能拿到我的话。
Okay. Now he will take off. Yes. Yes. Okay. Take off, and it will demo ascend 上升。Yeah. Ascend, descend 下降。Okay. And 左平移 left. Yeah. Left. Right. Right. Okay. And 左旋转 rotate left. Okay. And rotate right. And backward 后退。And forward 前进。Yeah. It is very simple operation. Anyone can learn to use it in 3 days. Okay, landing. It will landing. Very stable. And it will show the task summary of the task, but we didn't operate. We didn't cleaning, so that is 0. And then we will set up the spray bar to test the water pressure, the performance of the water on the ground. We will demo on the ground first. Screw it tightly, the spray bar, and then connect the hose to the water source. Yes, it is very easy to connect. And when we start the pump there, you can see there, the pump starts, and the water will spray right now. You can feel the pressure. It is about 4 meters away from the facade. The pressure is 3,000 psi. It's very powerful. And we will use this red nozzle for clean water rinsing. Yeah, okay. When we turn off the pump, the water will stop. The next step, we will demo the drone flying up and the pump powered on, and it will spray waters, and you can feel the pressure of the water at a very high level. Today we are demo in about 30 to 40 meters high this building. I will put my phone here and yeah, can you see that? Yeah, that is the pressure. And after that, our pilot will demo how to use the autonomous mode, like AB point. First, he will switch to AB mode. Yeah, yes, okay, switch to vertical AB mode. And then point A. Yeah, it's very easy. And fly to the top right corner to point B. Okay, point B. Okay, it will generate the parallel lines for the auto route. And then just click start here. And it will upload yes, make sure the detection distance is 5 meters and the flight speed is 1 meters, and slide it to start. Yes. And see the June, it will 开始了吗？你确定？ Yeah. Then the June started its operation automatically. The pilot didn't touch any buttons, but the June fly itself. Can you see in the screen? We are demo in the screen the autonomous mode and the June fly itself. You can see here the green line is where the June has spread, and the red one is to be spread. It will continuously fly until you stop the mission. 再等等，才第3行。Can you see this clearly? The route, the green ones is where it has spread, and the red ones is the areas need to be cleaned. And okay, and we stop this mission. Okay, and after that we will demo how our autonomous aerial cleaning mode. Yeah, switch to the autonomous cleaning work. And 等你先飞到一个高点，左上角。This is the third part, the autonomous mode. Fly to the top left corner and point A. 然后一个短边 ，OK point first point and 一个短边4条够了，可以 and point B. 好，然后往右下先下，然后后往右 and 好往右 OK point 3 OK 然后左平移 and bottom left point 4 yeah and there are 4 points and it is an irregular shape but it can generate 不用 it can generate the route 这是什么 yeah you can adjust the parameters and then click start it will upload the dimension and yeah make sure the parameter is what you want and then it will fly automatically to the first point. You can see this is not equal in every length of the route but it will fly automatically from the first point to the pilot also didn't touch any button and the drone fly itself from here to you can see the areas here it flies along yeah you can see the FPV camera the screen the pressure to the glass does the drone have any camera to see how it is doing? Yes, it is a camera. It is a gimbal camera. And you can rotate the camera screen up and down. You can see here the route, the green ones. We will finish this task, and after that you can see the 你要让它走完之后会有一个作业统计的界面。After this mission is completed, you will get a summary of this mission.
这是电压度，12。
会，最后。We are almost there. The last line. After the operation is completed, the drone will hover in the point where it is end, and the pilot will then take over the drone to landing or yeah confirm. Okay. And the pallet will landing off. 关泵. Yeah, he turned off the pump, and the drone are landing slowly. Yeah, it's landing slowly. There. Can you see there? How does the drone maintain distance from the window? Oh, I will show you. Yeah, this is the. Okay, this is the summary of the this study task, and I will show you the radar. The radar enables the detection of the distance and will keep the drone safely from the facade. Now the pilot will change the battery and demo the next item, and I will show you this radar in the front of the drone. And we set about 5 meters from the facade, and because the radar is here and the spray bar is about 2 meters, and the head of the spray bar will has 3 meters distance from the facade, and it can make sure the pressure and also the performance. You can rotate it up and down, and it is a 2K camera. Yeah, okay, a 2K camera, you can rotate up and down. And this is the radar. And also we have RTK. The RTK will enable the centimeter level precision positioning, so that when the drone go very near to the glass, it can detect the distance at a centimeter level precision. So you won't crash on the building, because this is a very safe mechanism. In next session, we will demo our solar cleaning capability. You can see here, there are 2 nozzles downward. 2 downward nozzles, it can swing. Oscillating nozzles, and this is the hose we just used for spray bar. It can connect it to another inlet, and it will enable the solar cleaning kit to work. The cable and the connector. And this is the rectangle, and this is the semi round. So you won't connect the round, because you need to pair this with this, and you need to pair this with this. So you won't be wrong, and just connect. Yes. Okay.
Drone is connected. Voltage 50.1.
Yeah. If you have any questions, just leave it on the comments. After that, we will dive into the next session. We will start our solar cleaning demo. But you can see the hose has connected to the solar cleaning kit, and now we will demo on here to demo how the swing sprayers to. We will start. Wait a moment. We are waiting for GPS. Yeah, okay. Until it turns green. Okay, and the pilot will demo the solar cleaning. C80. C80 means it typically can clean 80 meters high. Can you see that? 往我这边右屏移啊。80 means 80 meters high, but it can fly up to 100 meters because our upgraded pump and upgraded water hose. Can you see the swing? 停，我这儿已经超过视线了。No, it is not a tank. It is just the drone shell. You can see the solar cleaning swing 往左平移。就跟 AB 一样走几条线。When you need to clean the rooftops or the rooftop solar panels, you can use this function, and it is very simple on the remote control. 来演示一下开关 L2。过来要看到屏幕。再往右一点。Yes, the L2 button it can enable the 开泵。When you press the L2, it will swing. When you press again, it will stop swing. It will swing. So the L2 is the shortcut of the operation. On the top of the drone, it is a shell. It is for waterproof and dust-proof, the protection of our core flight control system in the heart of the drone. Okay, do you have any questions regarding the solar cleaning or the rooftop cleaning kit? We will equip 2 nozzles for downward cleaning. Yes, you can adjust the pressure. The pressure can be adjusted by the water pump. We will demo it later, and we will land in the drone first. 先降落，停蹦。We will land in the drone first. You can see the pressure. You can see the ground. This is where it has breathed. We have different nozzles. The red one is 0, and the green one is 15, and also 25 and 40. We can show you the green one, the 15. 开泵，开泵。For this green one, the water is wider, but the pressure is lesser than the red one. OK. 再试一个白色可以了，白色的对。And we will demo the white one. It is a 40 degrees. 不行，好，开泵。That is the whitest one. It has 40 degrees of the nozzle, but the pressure is the smallest one. For rinsing, for water rinsing, it has a very high efficiency to rinse off the foams. OK, 关泵，关泵，关泵。Okay, so that is the whole process of our function demo. And if you have any questions, just comment. Have a nice day.
Mm.